Everybody wants all these success hacks and whatnot. Breakthroughs, no matter how big or small they are in your business, are going to lie in the information you do not know yet. I'm going to be talking about 3 tips I have personally learned in affiliate marketing this year. Okay, so tip number 1, problem solve instead of backing down from an obstacle. So earlier this year, I was doing affiliate marketing. I was doing good. I was using PayPal as one of my main merchant accounts. And then PayPal goes on this crazy rampage and start shutting down affiliate marketers' accounts. At the time, I thought they were just doing this to a small kind of group of people. I come to realize they were doing it with so many different kinds of affiliate marketers in different niches. They crack down hard, right? This is the kind of obstacle that if it would have happened to me earlier in my affiliate marketing journey, I would have gotten depressed, I would have gotten mad, I would have gotten sad, I would have been just distraught. Basically, I wouldn't have got back up as soon as I could and started to kind of problem solve my way out of this. I really learned the power of this in 2016. I ended up getting involved with the CPA marketing offer that was doing pretty awesome. I started making about $100 a day really quickly with it. And then literally out of nowhere, one weekend, they say, we're closing the doors. I was like, I can't let this get me down for too long. I have to bounce back. So I immediately found an offer that to this day, I'm making money on. It's okay to feel the pain of certain obstacles that hit you, certain curveballs that get thrown your way. It's good for you to feel it for a little bit. You want to get into learning mode after you felt that pain as fast as possible, because you will increase from that. Back to this year, because that's what this video is about. That PayPal thing happened. I could have complained and went into my little cubby hole. Instead, I decided to start researching better merchant accounts I can get a part of and fix things up. At the time, I was freaking out, but when I look back at it now, it was a seamless transition and my money just kept coming in. Okay, so this second tip is something that really just has been branded in my brain now. If you're doing affiliate marketing and you're looking for offers that are going to pay you commissions, find things that are going to pay you what you're worth. If you're a beginner at affiliate marketing and you think, I don't really have any knowledge, I'm trying to learn this stuff, maybe I should not get into something that's going to pay me big commissions because I don't feel like I'm worth that. You're investing time into learning this stuff in the beginning stages of your affiliate journey. A lot of times, you're investing a lot more time figuring things out than you will 6 months from now, a year from now, because you'll be a little bit wiser. You'll be able to know how to get certain things on autopilot. So you need to get with something that when you get that first commission, when you get those, the week of a really good week of commissions, it is amazing to you. There's this guy I know, he makes about $200 to $400 a day. He's with affiliate offers that pay him small amounts of commissions, right? And the type of work he does to make those commissions happen are crazy. And I remember him coming to me one day. It doesn't feel like I have my own business. It doesn't feel like freedom. It still feels like a 9 to 5. And in my head, I was like, wow, if he put that same amount of work, I'm not even talking about working less. If he just put that same amount of work into something that was going to pay him a lot more money, he would quadruple his income like that. If you're spending a lot of time learning this stuff, or even a little bit of time, you still want to get with things that are going to pay you what you're worth. Tip number 3 is for you to smash the like button. Look, just do it. It helps me out. If you like the video so far, hit that freaking button. Okay, but the real tip number 3 is so freaking powerful. If you can get this in the early stages of your affiliate marketing journey, you will avoid so much pain. I'm dead serious. The thing that really got sealed in my head this year is the art of reverse engineering my small wins and taking that data to turn them into big wins. A really big breakthrough I had for me this year, which a lot of big marketers do, but sometimes I'm really fast to learn some things, and other things I'm real slow to learn. I went to my merchant account that I use now and looked at all of these sales that I've had. It was over 600 in there, and I started looking at where people who actually spent money, where they came from, and I started reverse engineering all the way down to the type of content that I made. And there were so many breakthroughs, so many ideas, so much more creativity that I've been able to have ever since I did that. I don't care if you've barely made any money. You can go back into that data and see where they came from, see what type of content they were looking at. I know I said I was going to give only 3 tips, but I'm going to give you a 4th one that I think can really help you in your journey, especially since you've stayed this long on the video. Congrats, you don't have an attention span of a goldfish. I increased my income goals. Now, I'm not going to be cliche and be like, the reason why you want to do that is because if you aim higher and you miss the mark, you've made more money than if you aim low and miss the mark, which is true. I want to give you a different perspective on why you should increase your income goals. One of the keys that's going to help you win in this industry, no matter what niche you're in with affiliate marketing, is if you're able to stand out from everybody else. If you're somebody that is willing to invest in yourself, you know you take action, and you know you're not going to give up on this stuff, increase your income, write it down, look at it daily, nightly, pray over it. What's going to start to happen if you're a serious person about reaching that income goal? Your mind is going to start trying to connect the dots, okay, on what you need to be doing to achieve that result. You'll find that you're more creative. You'll find that you start really understanding your numbers a little bit better, and you will naturally be able to find that thing you'll be able to do better than anybody else in your space. That's another reason why. Now, if you're somebody that is a tire kicker, you want to increase your income, but you don't want to invest in yourself, you want to get rich quick, this last tip isn't really going to help you. You're not going to really get anywhere. This only is going to work for people who know, like, deep down, they have a real desire to reach freedom, and they're going to do what it takes to get there. This is the only type of person this works for. All right, so look, if you clicked on this video and you were intrigued by seeing what did she learn, in this year, 2019, in affiliate marketing, you saw the tips and that's all you wanted to see, you can click off this video, but leave a like before you do. If you find yourself continuing to watch this video and you are a little curious about what it is that's helped me win big with affiliate marketing, and you want to see one of my #1 recommended affiliate programs to start, not only for amazing training on starting, growing, and scaling an affiliate marketing business, but to also learn things that can be applied to really any business, you can click the link in my video description below to check that out if you want more information. Be on the lookout for some emails from me showing you literally step by step my process and exactly what you need to be doing, whether you're new to this stuff or you already make $10,000 a month online or even more than that. This can really help anybody, whether you're a beginner or you're an advanced marketer. Check that out. Like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and you'll see me on the other side.